Hi, my name is Jody Hurley. I'm the advisor for our Peer Listening program here at Hill Murray. Peer Listening is a group of selected juniors and seniors who are trained to participate in active listening. They are there for students grades 6 through 12. So in order to be a peer listener, someone would nominate you, or you were nominated by a staff. You go through an application process, and then if selected, a group of 14 to 20 students will be there available for students at grades 6 through 12 in case they want to talk to a peer instead of coming to an adult at first about a situation. Our peer listeners are trained, so if it is an important, serious situation, they are trained to bring it to the appropriate adult. Peer listeners use a book called A Rainbow of Peer Helping Skills, and it works with emotional intelligence, and it has a series of different lessons. We meet during WIN time every other week, and we work on active listening skills, paraphrasing, just social emotional skills that help you in life and in situations where they're there to help their peer listeners. So again, peer listening can be available to anyone who would like to talk with a peer listener in grades 6 through 12, but you need to be a junior or senior who is selected to be part of our program. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'd be happy to answer it. You can find me on the Hill Murray website under peer listening. Thank you.